Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. This speed is of Karnataka, 80 words per minute, and the year was November 1993. Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Friends, ladies, and gentlemen, I have great pleasure in welcoming you all to the 13th annual general meeting of this society. I am happy to recall that on the 10th day of this month, the society was formally opened in this very city by our beloved Prime Minister. The 7th annual general meeting of the society was also held at Bangalore. It is but proper that we should meet here once again today. The annual report of the society is already with you, and it is not necessary for me to repeat what is stated there. The report gives you an idea of the working of the society and the progress made during the past years. I would, however, like to invite your attention to certain aspects which are of special importance. Last year, the annual general meeting was held at our own building site in New Delhi in the presence of our President. On that occasion, he had expressed the hope that the society, having got its own land, should put up its own building. The Council of the Society is fully aware of this need and is doing its best to push through its building program. I am glad to inform you that several other organizations and individuals have sent donation to the building fund of the society. We are indeed very grateful to them for their help. Having paid for the land, we have at the moment a balance of rupees 1 lakh in our building fund. The central government has promised us a grant of rupees 1 lakh, making a total of rupees 2 lakhs. This amount is not sufficient even to build the first part of the building, consisting of 2 floors and a lecture hall, for which the estimated cost is about rupees 3 lakhs. The building plans have been finalized and are now awaiting approval of the municipal council. Dear sirs, we acknowledge with thanks the receipt of your letter of the 10th March concerning the prices charged to you for the good oil that we recently supplied to you. We regret to say that due to the heavy tax and other charges now ruling, we have been compelled to make an increase in our prices. You will no doubt remember that at one time the tax represented about a rupee per gallon on the cost of the oil as a result of recent increases not only in the cost of the oil but also on account of the transportation and various other charges. It now represents not less than 8 rupees per gallon. With these figures in mind, we feel sure you will agree that our increased price is a very moderate one and you will readily consent for this increase. Since the last delivery we made to you, we have been compelled to make a further increase of 2 rupees per gallon for the first quality, which we have been in the habit of supplying to you. We are confident you will continue to have this supply in spite of the small increase, since it has its own advantages. We hope that before long there will be a drop in the tax and other charges which will enable us to reduce our prices to their normal level, assuring you always of our prompt and best attention. Yours faithfully. That's all.